This is our robot Rostic. We built it using 3 different people. Each person did a different aspect of building it. One person worked on code, one person worked on building it, and one person worked on modeling. We basically built it to pour deadly chemicals in basically a variety of things. It kind of acts like a human hand, and you can use it for pretty much anything. But since we don't have deadly chemicals, we'll demonstrate it using chess. We'll have it play chess, move the pieces, things like that. It's eco-friendly, low cost, low energy, anything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hello, I'm Doug. I'm here to talk about the physical components of the Rostic robot. This is a V5 Vex brain, and this is its V5 radio controller, and this is its battery. We have some physical components here, like the V5 motor, belt and pulley system with our wire management tracks. This is our X movement, and this is our Y movement. We have 3D printed parts that hold basically everything, all of our carriages for our X and Y movements, and our pulleys, and the mounted brackets on each corner of the aluminum frame that keeps the whole robot together. Our claw also has a lot of V5 Vex parts and 3D printed parts. It moves in the Z-axis, and the hand turns various array of motions. But mainly it will open and close, and yeah.
Hello, I'm Max, and this is Inventor. We use this to model the 3D printed parts that we actually put on the robot. Most of these parts are actually on the robot now. Some of them were earlier parts that were test models. It was very useful to use this to have multiple models of the item. Some of them actually are on a different computer, so I can't actually have them with me right now. But this is the code. There is actually a record feature that we can record every single X, Y, Z, as well as the A, B, and C motions, so that we can record them and play them back. We have multiple voids, we have multiple functions to put in there. We also have a print system of where we can get all the temperatures, all the values, everything. Then we have the X axis. We have limits on it, so it can't go past anything. We have the Y axis, and then we have the Z. We also have the A, which is the rotation. We have the B, which is actually the up motion and the down motion, so where the claw can actually come up and grab such things as water bottles, cups, anything like that, such as with the deadly chemicals. And the C motion is the open and closing of the claw. We just simply made a button for that.
We have a box. It's the version at its finest. That was entirely set up. Well, I could just have the swinging door real quick. Technically, we got them all back here. Oh no. Yeah, from it slamming on that tube, I guess. Thank you.